In the last episode, the workers removed the old termite-damaged beams and planks from the roof and replaced them with fresh wood. I thought the next step would be putting the tiles back on the rebuilt roof, but I had completely forgotten that the original beams had been painted green by my grandparents. I never thought about the colors of the house when I lived there as a child or on later visits. In fact, the color scheme was intentional. The house had the colors associated with all 5 elements that represent energy and nature. This is part of the Chinese beliefs about feng shui, the system of decorating one's home or business for harmony and good fortune. Green, or wood, symbolizes vitality, growth, and new beginnings. Red, or fire, symbolizes joy, luck, and prosperity. Yellow, brown, or earth symbolizes the center, stability, and historically imperial power. White, gold, silver, or metal symbolizes purity, clarity, and strength. Black, or dark blue, which is water, symbolizes deep energy. These colors, rooted in ancient philosophy and symbolizing harmony, can be found in Chinese-style buildings such as temples or the Forbidden City in Beijing. It's rare nowadays to see all the colors in people's homes, except traditional houses like ours. I'm so glad I realized this before it was too late, but that meant we had to take a U-turn. This afternoon, the Sifu will be painting the beams, all the beams, 19 beams on the roof, green, apple green. And the reason I have to spray paint it is because I didn't realize that originally the house had painted, my grandparents had painted the rooftop, the roof beams green. Because green, I looked it up on AI, actually represents an auspicious color. It means growth, new beginning, vitality, energy. So of course I want to keep the house the way it was for my grandparents, and they put a lot of thought into it. So out of respect for them, and I also believe in this, I want to paint the beams green, all 19 of them. And that's going to be a little bit challenging because my contractor has already, Mr. Huang has already put them all up on the roof. So now it would have been better if, I had thought about this earlier, or if somebody reminded me, and so we could have painted all the beams green and then put them on the roof. But now that's too late. So now we've hired these shifu, and they're going to spray paint them using these machines. And I don't know how they're going to do it because the roof is actually quite tall in this house, and the second floor is unstable. So I just hope they're going to be safe. Sifu hired 2 spray painters to get the job done. I 想鼓勵多啲人維修佢哋住屋啊。點介意我認你哋啊？唔怕。哦，你哋響2樓一定要小心啊！因為嗰啲扮爛咗啊。有安全帶。有安全帶係扣住你邊度啊？唔掂識嘅。即係扣邊度？扣外邊邊度啊？嗰度1條、1條、2條、3條、4條、5條。咁扣住邊度咧？佢即係扣住間屋係咪啊？唔係，扣住嗰個山嗰度扣。跟住嗰條先，扣住嗰條鋼筋度。哦。我帶安全帶嘅。一定要帶安全帶，安全第一哦。我知道安全帶嘅救護點帶。I assumed the painters are also from Guangxi. I couldn't understand what they were saying in their dialect. 你搭咗啲板嗰度，搭到去嗰邊就 OK 啦嚇。OK。有我自己攞支竹去噴嘅啊。咁樣。咁就擺上去。我咁快搭到啲板響啊？近先買㗎。係呢，我啲倉庫車嗰度。哦，你有倉庫響附近啊？附近。咁但係嗰幾條 ，OK， 佢點企響啊？咁佢嗰個咁嘅老師又咁咪噴得到咯。哦，OK。咁佢個聲啊，要扣住邊度啊？扣住啲撐住個窗珠咪得咯。哦，OK。你扣擦啲，你扣擦啲冇擦。 慢慢啲啦，整個安全啊，要實啲。
阿國仲唔係咁高，
唔掂啊嘛，嗰種係最安全噶嘛。
唔係啱先阿國自己我咁高啊，唔係咁高啊嗱。
嗱，依家咁講嘛係啦，
唉
依家
就係咁講
5.4，嗰種叫5.4啊嘛。防住上面個槍子彈啊！
知道。知道。
佢哋做慣舊屋㗎，做好多。
乜都做過，乜都慣啊。
但嗰度做緊舊屋。
整高啲我哋整得到啦，
係啊，
方罐鎖啊。
都係咁樣嘅。方罐鎖都正呢啲，點解咧？
我用方罐鎖做10幾廿年啦，你真係。
但係我唔明白方罐鎖點解會整舊一啲舊屋嘅，即係佢
方罐
係
鎖好多係黐壓榨翻去，冇人哋嗰啲收翻嗰啲自己罐咧。
咁佢收尾管咗之後，佢就租出去咯喎。
係啊，
咁如果係我哋唔理，佢以後都會收埋佢咯喎。
你想叫乜你都有可能啊。方罐鎖你咁幫你有晒嗰啲咁嘅證件。
佢契嗰日係咯，師傅緊啊。
緊，而家緊嗰度喎。
係啊。
下個係上邊嘅四天八雲啊。
OK。
講高揾。
Seeing how thin and long the rope was, I was very nervous. But I didn't want to be a nuisance to them and interfere with the way they worked. Then the scary part began. Scary, at least for me. 佢知道要扣住先啊，扣住嗰個。叫佢扣住個窗啊！喂 Did you see the fan shaking? 個槍支實唔實正啊？
正
好夠㗎喎，個槍支。
冇你睇。你睇有嘢晒零水，你睇係唔知我超可能。嗰啲包裹咧。
唔得。
我嗰個包裹。
扣實未啊？
你要開機翻接佢呀！
阿師傅啊，你問下佢條繩好長啊，整短啲啦。
夠啊！太電啦，做唔到嘢嘅。500跌落嚟，500嘅。
困咗依家。
Turns out their machine was malfunctioning. The paint wasn't coming out from the tube. They ended up going back to their workshop to get another one that worked. Time for a break. After a break, I came back to find the painters were nearly done, spray painting the roof beams green. It's not a color most modern or older homes use, but I wanted to keep the color scheme my grandparents chose as much as possible. Even after immigrating to the US, my grandmother had longed to repair her home and return to live here. I'm now fulfilling her dream.
好，攞個油嚟攞啲啦。
If you like this episode, please hit the subscribe button and share this video. Please also share your stories of how you reconnected with your grandparents or other ancestors. I would love to hear them.